Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my new Sequins storage. So I use these containers from Harbor Freight, and over the years the actual outside case, this big piece, has changed into a more sturdy, I don't know, it's just sturdier and thicker. You can just tell and feel when it closes and stuff. But I stick all of my sequins in here. And then if they are from like Cartwright's, well, my second purchase from Cartwright's, I started labeling it and stuff. But I have so many of these containers, like so many. And because the package is a little bit bigger, like there's a lot of space on the side, there's foam in between, and then it's got a good 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch up on the top as well. So these are much bigger than they need to be for the actual containers. And I did not originally plan on buying anything else for these because I absolutely love these and I've been using them for years. But Michael's had a sale, and Ida, who is Created to Create, was sharing her dream wall. Let me show you. With all of those containers in it. So those are 4 separate units. They do sell a bulk option, but it was sold out when I was purchasing. So I just got the individual units on sale. They were 50% off. So hopefully when I share this video, they are on sale. But they are clear acrylic drawers, and I'm putting them in here. Almost 4 of these containers fit in one of these. So here's the bottom. I'll just show you the bottom one right here. Look at this. Oh, and it's so like, I just love the way that it looks. I'm just tilting it up, and they're not like flying out or anything because they are a tight fit up, going up and down. And then on the side, you just have some room because another one does not. I mean, another one might fit right there. Oh, you know what? What if I turn these to the side? I can get even more room if I can get the drawer to shut. So I'm gonna have to test that right now, because that might be a game changer. Okay, but anyway, they fit in here perfect. Like, look how much room is left, plus this little tab, and they just slide in perfectly. So I just love the way that this looks. Nothing is stacked. I can see all of the colors right here. I was gonna stick bows and stuff in these, but if I counted right, I should only use 4 of these drawers, and I still have plenty of drawers to stick other stuff in them. But I am obsessed. I was just sticking pinks in. Now I gotta kind of go through, like that one looks way too yellow for this group, but I'm gonna go in and like really go by the shade and organize it. But I just wanted to see it in here, and it is so beautiful, and I'm obsessed. And I could just pull this entire drawer out, like, hey, I'm making a pink sequins, or, you know, a mint one, pull out my mint drawer. Yee, it's so pretty. Okay guys, so I did just test this out, and on their side, it fits better all the way across. That way I don't have to turn one like sideways like this, and it fits more. So it fits 91 if you have them on their sides all the way up, or 84 if you put them like this with the tab showing in the front. So I'm definitely going to do 91 because that's just, you know, get all the real estate filled up. So literally I'm just getting them. You can see the front tabs right here, just getting them and rotating them. And that's how they're going to go. Rotate. Now I need to do that to all of them and still organize the colors. Okay, you guys, they're all turned on their side. It fits much better. I like that there's an even amount of rows. Like, uh-oh, what'd you do? Okay, that I don't have to turn this to the side. So I really like this. This is my final thoughts and decisions. And I realized I am not going to go through and put these in exact shades like I normally would, because I absolutely love that rainbow status. I figure if I leave it like this, obviously they're pinks with each other, but you know, they're not in order. The hot pinks, the darks, the, you know, translucent looking ones. But if I leave it like this and I run out of, say I run out of this pink, and this is an empty container, and I buy a new pink, I can just put it right back in here. I'm not going to have to go through and rotate and push all of these around to get my new, whatever new color, because I don't know what colors I'm going to get, you know. Whatever new color I get, I'm not going to have to rotate all these around to get it in, you know, chronological order, basically, by color. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And that way I can kind of like look over all of them all of the time versus just sticking in pastel pinks because that's what I'm used to working with. Now I have to physically look through all of them and use my sequins. I am loving this, you guys. Obsessed is an understatement. I'm excited. Okay, you guys. I was pretty good at counting, like not counting, but guessing. I have 4 full drawers completely filled. Love the way that it looks. So satisfying. It just fits nice and neat. Like these Harbor Freight containers were made for these Michael drawers. For sure. But I'm condensing all these. I'm going to use these containers either in my kids' room or repurpose them somewhere in my craft room. But I have 3 white left. That's it. 3 sequins left. And I don't know if I should start another drawer. Another clear drawer. It's only going to have 3 sequins in it. I do have sequins coming from AliExpress. I am a shopaholic. So I think the smart thing to do is going to be definitely to just create another drawer and have those in there. And then I also have these guys, which were not sequins. They're kind of just like bits and bobs. Actually these are sequins. These are Easter, but I don't craft with Easter. I need to de-stash those. But like these guys, at least they're those doodads, like just gemmies and stuff. Maybe I should start a drawer with these guys, sequins to grow, plus like gemmy style ones. And then I can even include, I was gonna leave them in here, but maybe I could start a drawer. These are all like clay bits. These ones in particular are from my Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, but they're just little clay bits, but I add them as if they were sequins. So I might just combine these with the leftover sequins right here. But you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, I'll show you once I put them in the cabinet. So here it is. This is in my IKEA Calyx unit. They fit snug as a bug. You do have to take the rubber things off the bottom of the clear containers to stack them. Here's the bottom drawer. This is all pinks. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but you guys saw this in the beginning. Super pretty. I love this. I have no regrets buying these containers. They were on sale, but even on sale, they are still pricey. They're actually on sale right now for $35. So you better run and get them while you can. Here's my oranges and peaches. And then I have like golds that transitions to yellow to green to the minty turquoise colors that then goes up to the blue. And I think black, clear, whites, grays, silvers. And then on the front of these, I did go ahead and put pretty ones in the very front of the face because that's what you see. So I did have to move some around once I realized that it didn't look as pretty. So I did change that. Oops, I already did this drawer. So the very top drawer that I did go ahead and start, I did the rest of the whites and the clears, some gemmies, and then these little clay bits, and then sequins that need to be put in like little containers. I need to buy some more. And the top, just in case, I buy more because I have a tendency to do that, or maybe stick some more gemmies in there and combine them all together. But they are on sale, $24 off today.